In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a WordPress website from Hostinger. If you're looking to free up some space or simply tidy up your web hosting account, you'll find this guide both straightforward and helpful. Let's dive in and take it step by step to ensure you can follow along with ease and confidence. First things first, let's head over to the Hostinger website. This is where the journey begins. You'll want to open up your preferred web browser and type in Hostinger's official website. Once you're on the Hostinger homepage, you'll notice the user-friendly design that makes navigation a breeze. The first thing you'll see is the login button, conveniently located towards the top of the page. Clicking on it will prompt you to enter your login details. Ensure you've got your credentials handy to avoid any delays. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hostinger dashboard, often referred to as the H panel. This is your control center where all the magic happens. From managing your websites to adjusting account settings, it's all managed from here. On the dashboard, find the menu option labeled Websites. This section is critical as it houses all the websites you currently manage through Hostinger. After selecting the Websites section, you'll be presented with a list of all the websites that are hosted on your account. This list offers a great overview and makes it easy to manage multiple sites from one place. Now here's where the important part comes in, finding the website you wish to delete. Carefully scroll through the list to identify the particular site you'd like to remove. Double check to ensure you're selecting the correct one because once it's deleted, it will no longer be available. Once you've identified the correct website, it's time to delete it. You should see a delete option right next to the site's details. Now before you proceed, take a moment to consider if this is the final decision, as this action is irreversible. When you're absolutely sure, click on the delete button. Hostinger might prompt you with a confirmation message to avoid accidental deletions. Simply confirm your choice, and there you have it, your WordPress website has been successfully deleted from Hostinger. This process is relatively simple and should only take a few minutes from beginning to end. Remember, if at any stage you're unsure, it's always a good idea to double check the information on the screen or consult documentation to avoid making any mistakes. I hope this guide has served you well and made your experience with managing websites on Hostinger just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching and good luck with your website endeavors.